business confidence. These economic fundamentals are yet to be made to justify the introduction of our own currency. In order to bring sanity in the foreign currency market, my government, through the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, has negotiated a number of foreign exchange facilities amounting to US 500 million that are intended to meet the growing demand for foreign currency by business and the public in general. Some of these facilities shall be dispersed this week to meet the expanding demand for foreign currency that continues to be sustained by fiscal imbalances, which my government has made a great commitment to redress. Furthermore, my government will, with renewed urgency and vigor, continue to drive a high-performance culture within all public entities. All public servants are henceforth required to change their work ethics to ensure the efficient and prudent use of public resources. Responsiveness, accountability, as well as timely, impartial, and equitable delivery of goods and services to our people. The lethargic